We can also use logical values in matrices to reference rows and columns of a matrix, right? So in that case, we will provide a logical vector, right? It has to be the same length as the number of rows or matrices to subscript, right? So this is our matrix X, right? Say we now use a vector of logical values, right? And say true, which means return that row. If it false, it means don't return that row, omit it. And it's true, return that row. And say we want to return all the columns. So what we have done, we have used this vector of logical values to find a subset, right, of this matrix X, right? And because we specified for row, we want the first row and the third row. We specified for empty column, return all the columns, right? So we're gonna have a 2 by 4 matrix, and this is the output. So because you can see, it has omitted this this row because we specified F for the second row.